Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 3rd, and this is my recap of the top few videos of the day, and the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So big push up at the news today for the dollar, very big push up. Definitely a 1-2-3, I would say. Very clearly one up, three down, one up. So definitely looks like a 1-2-3. I would expect this to be a wave four, but with such an impulsive move up, it probably is going to be a pretty decent move to the downside. I would expect to see at least three waves down to probably at least minimum to 50%, possibly even to 61.8 before we actually see another push up. We also have a daily time frame Fibonacci retracement up here, which is right around the 1.082 area, which is probably a pretty likely target for this wave 5. So I'm definitely still looking for longs. I mean, if you are more of a scalper, you might better sort it at the end of a wave B, but I still think the big money is going to be made going long at the end of this wave 4 for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.